Nvidia earnings were great. Now, the expectation being that a 50 billion per quarter company is supposed to be growing at 15% per quarter is a little bit ridiculous, and that's why we're selling off. But the AI story is intact. What you have to realize is that Blackwell is ramping. This quarter didn't have $4 billion of China revenue. Next quarter's guide did not, and the guide was actually excellent, 54 billion. Now, the top end of that range is 55 billion, and they always beat the top end. So talk 56 billion next quarter. We're talking about a company without China that's growing quarter over quarter by 20%. Like, are you kidding? They keep that up for 4 quarters, they're going to do another double on quarterly revenue. Now, that's nobody's expectation, because if they keep on growing like that, they're going to eat the entire economy. Honestly, they're like a quarter of the way there. I think the takeaway is that this AI train is not stopping. There are some companies from here that will be down 95%, that's for sure, but it's not going to be Nvidia. And I'm not buying Nvidia here. I'm basically completely out. I'm thinking about the next derivatives. Who are the beneficiaries? We are talking about $400 billion of data center capex next year. We are talking about, according to Jensen, nearly $3 trillion of data center capex next year. On the call, he said that a 1 gigawatt data center costs $50 billion, give or take. Nvidia is going to get 35 billion of that. Here's what I'm excited about. One of those $50 billion data centers, 15% of that goes to networking. That's why I love Coherent so much. Do they have Nvidia level market share? Of course not. They compete with Broadcom, they compete with Lumentum. They just get $50 million of revenue per every data center that's built. For the market cap that they are, that is a huge upside opportunity. And there are plenty of more stories. I want you guys to think about who are the second order derivatives of this that are still growing and at a reasonable price. The top pick is Coherent. I want to hear yours.